Welcome to YouTube. If you're a fan of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge automotive technology, you're in for a treat. Because today, we're diving into the brand new 2025 BMW M5 competition. BMW has taken things to a whole new level with this one, blending raw power with innovation in a way that few other brands can match. Right off the bat, the 2025 M5 competition makes a bold statement. It's aggressive, muscular, and more futuristic than ever. The front end is dominated by a reworked kidney grille, slimmer, more angular, and flanked by laser-sharp headlights. Aerodynamics play a big role in this redesign, with active elements integrated into the front bumper and air intakes that adapt to cooling needs and speed. The car looks fast even when it's standing still. Under the hood, things get even more serious. BMW has fitted the M5 competition with a revised 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. Yes, it's still a V8, and yes, it's more powerful than ever. Paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, this setup pumps out a mind-blowing 735 horsepower and over 730 pound-feet of torque. That means 0 to 60 in just about 3 seconds flat, making this the fastest and most powerful M5 ever built. The 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission has been tuned to perfection, delivering gear changes that feel almost psychic. But performance isn't just about speed, it's about control. BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system ensures that all that power gets to the ground efficiently. It can shift from full AWD to rear-wheel drive when you want to have fun. The chassis has been stiffened, the suspension recalibrated, and there's now a 4-wheel steering system that helps this beast feel light and agile in corners, despite its size. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a cabin that's all business, luxury business. The 2025 M5 competition features BMW's latest iDrive 9 system, spread across a stunning curved display that merges a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a massive 14.9-inch infotainment screen. It's intuitive, fast, and deeply customizable. The M-specific graphics, carbon fiber trim, Alcantara upholstery, and optional carbon bucket seats make sure you never forget you're in something special. And of course, BMW hasn't skimped on driver assistance and safety tech. Everything from adaptive cruise to lane keep assist is included, making this not only a track-ready monster but a genuinely usable daily driver. The exhaust note, absolutely savage. It roars when you want it to, but thanks to new sound tuning, it won't wake the whole neighborhood on startup. You get that M character, but with a bit more maturity. So there you have it, the 2025 BMW M5 competition. A super sedan that doesn't compromise. It's faster, smarter, and more refined than ever. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more car content, and drop a comment. Would you take this over an AMG E63 or Audi 7 rupees? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.